Recession-proof. Your finances. It's time to get serious. Recessions happen. They are an inevitable part of the economic cycle, and while they can be daunting, they don't have to spell disaster for your personal finances. It's a fact of life. But don't panic. Instead, take a deep breath and understand that with the right strategies, you can navigate through these challenging times. You can thrive, even when times are tough. It's all about having a plan and sticking to it. By being proactive and making informed decisions, you can turn potential setbacks into opportunities for growth. It's about being smart, resourceful, and maybe a little bit scrappy. Embrace creativity and innovation in your financial planning. Look for ways to cut unnecessary expenses and find new streams of income. Remember, a recession is not the time to bury your head in the sand. Ignoring the situation will only make things worse. Instead, face it head-on with a clear mind and a determined spirit. It's time to face your finances head-on and take control. Start by assessing your current financial situation. Know where your money is going and identify areas where you can make adjustments. This isn't about deprivation. It's about making smart choices that set you up for long-term success. Prioritize your spending and focus on what truly matters. Small changes can lead to significant savings over time. Think of it like this: you're building a financial fortress. Every wise decision you make adds another brick to your stronghold, protecting you from future economic storms. A strong foundation will help you weather any storm. This foundation is built on knowledge, discipline, and a proactive approach to managing your finances. We'll explore practical steps to build that fortress, starting with getting a grip on your spending. Creating a budget is the first step. Track your income and expenses meticulously. Are you ready to recession-proof your life? Let's do this. Together, we will navigate these uncertain times and come out stronger on the other side. Stay tuned for more tips and strategies to secure your financial future. Tighten the belt. Saving money like a boss. The first step to conquering a recession is simple. Spend less than you earn. This might sound like common sense, but it's a fundamental principle that many overlook. I know, it sounds obvious, but you'd be surprised how many people miss this. It's easy to get caught up in the moment and spend more than you should. Start by creating a budget. This is your roadmap to financial success. Without a budget, it's like trying to navigate a city without a map. Track every dollar coming in and going out. Knowing where your money goes is crucial. It helps you identify spending patterns and areas where you can cut back. You can use a simple spreadsheet, an app, or even a good old-fashioned notebook. The method doesn't matter as long as it works for you. Some people find that writing things down by hand helps them remember better and stay more committed to their budget. Next, identify areas where you can cut back. Eating out less, canceling unnecessary subscriptions, and finding cheaper entertainment options can make a big difference. You don't have to sacrifice fun. There are plenty of low-cost or free activities that can be just as enjoyable. Remember, small changes add up. Every little bit you save can contribute to a more secure financial future. So start today and watch your savings grow. Don't be scared of investing. Smart moves for tough times. Investing during a recession might seem counterintuitive, but hear me out. When the market is down, prices are lower. This means you can buy more for your money. Now, I'm not talking about risky bets on volatile stocks. I'm talking about sensible, long-term investments. Think index funds, bonds, and real estate. Remember, investing is a marathon, not a sprint. Don't panic sell when the market dips. Stay the course, and you'll come out ahead in the long run. Unlocking hidden income. Side hustle power. A recession can be an opportunity to get creative with your income. Think about your skills and passions. Can you turn them into a side hustle? There are endless possibilities. Freelance writing, virtual assisting, online tutoring, pet sitting, the list goes on. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and TaskRabbit make it easier than ever to find clients. Even a few extra $100 a month can make a huge difference in your financial stability. Plus, who knows, your side hustle could even turn into your main gig. Section 5. Turning trash into treasure. The art of selling what you don't need. One person's trash is another person's treasure, right? A recession is the perfect time to declutter your home and make some extra cash. Go through your closets, attic, and garage. Chances are, you'll find plenty of items you no longer use or need. Sell them online through platforms like eBay, Facebook Marketplace, or Craigslist. You can also host a garage sale or take your items to a consignment shop. Every little bit helps. Section 6. Skills to pay the bills. Monetizing your talents. What are you good at? What do you enjoy doing? These are the seeds of potential income streams. Maybe you're a whiz at graphic design, a talented baker, or a skilled handyman. Offer your services to friends, family, and your local community. Word of mouth is powerful, and you might be surprised at the demand for your skills. Section 7. The power of negotiation. Asking for what you deserve. Don't be afraid to negotiate. Whether it's a lower rent payment, a better interest rate on your credit card, or a raise at work, it never hurts to ask. The worst they can say is no. But you might be surprised at how often you can secure a better deal simply by speaking up. Section 8. Mindset is everything. Stay positive and focused. Recessions can be stressful, no doubt about it, but it's important to maintain a positive mindset. Remember, this is a temporary situation. Focus on what you can control, your spending, your income, and your attitude. Don't dwell on the negative. Instead, channel your energy into finding solutions and creating opportunities. Section 9. Ready to level up? This is the moment you've been waiting for. Join me on the journey to financial freedom. Congratulations on making it this far. You've already taken the first crucial steps towards securing your financial future. You're now equipped with the knowledge and tools to not just survive, but thrive during a recession. Understanding your finances is the key to unlocking endless possibilities. Remember, it's not about luck. It's about taking control of your finances and making smart choices. By creating a solid budget plan and sticking to it, you can navigate any financial storm. But this is just the beginning. Every step you take from here will bring you closer to financial independence and peace of mind. I'm passionate about helping people achieve financial peace, and I believe that with the right guidance, anyone can do it. I've got a ton more tips and strategies to share. From investment advice to saving hacks, there's so much more to learn. Head over to my YouTube channel right now for my latest video on building multiple streams of income. Diversifying your income sources is a powerful way to ensure financial stability. Let's crush this recession together. With determination and the right tools, we can turn challenges into opportunities. Stay motivated, stay informed, and let's make financial freedom a reality for everyone.